Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my subscriber and you're watching, thank you for watching. Regardless of the things that she might have went through this year, as you all know, the things that she was trending about her ex, she still looks glowing. She did take some time on Instagram, to take me on a break. So this is how she celebrated her birthday. She just added a plus one. She looked gorgeous, and also her dress is giving wedding dressing. It's just that it's not a long dress, it's short. So but the upper your one is giving wedding vibes. She looked gorgeous. She looks beautiful. She looked happy. Guys, growing is a good thing, knowing the fact that, you made it to 2025 is just a good vibe. So it's a really a good thing for her and to anyone, like, guys, you never know if you're going to make it next year or whatsoever. So having for yourself to reach that moment for you to celebrate your birthday is the best thing that, like, it's the best thing for a person. Like, I can say everything that people want in the world, but the first thing people wish, is to live, is to breathe. So having yourself celebrating, spending time with your family is the best thing, regardless of all the negativity. She's happy. You all can see how glowing she was on her pictures. So yeah, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.